How to change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat application on your device. Now tap on profile icon at top left corner of the screen. Now choose your icon at top right corner of the screen to access the settings section. Now you have to locate option of Bitmoji and tap on it. When you tap Edit My Bitmoji, you will only be able to update your Bitmoji using the Start button, but not actually the gender on Snapchat. So what you can do is simply you need to come back to the Bitmoji section and you need to select Unlink My Bitmoji. Tap Remove button and your Bitmoji will be removed currently. After that, you need to select Create My Avatar. And from here you have to select an option below to begin. So from here you can easily select the male gender instead of women if your current Bitmoji what the women one. You can select the men and then you can tap the skip icon at top right corner and then tap skip again. And from here you can easily uh, customize the appearance and change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. So in this way, you can easily change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.